If you have spent hours searching for the right gasketing solution, you have probably seen adhesive transfer tape pop up in your searches. This term includes a wide range of products that tackle a ton of critical roles in high-precision bonding applications across industries like automotive, medical, and electronics. In this video, we'll break down what adhesive transfer tape is, how it's used within gasket assemblies, and why it performs so well in manufacturing environments. Before we talk about gaskets, let's first cover what adhesive transfer tape is. Adhesive transfer tape is an ultra-thin, high-performance bonding material designed to deliver strong adhesion between surfaces. Unlike double-sided tapes, it contains no carrier or backing layer. Instead, it consists solely of a layer of adhesive supported by a release liner on each side. This construction allows for easy handling, precise placement, and clean application. Its flexibility and conformability make it ideal for bonding textured or irregular surfaces, while the absence of a backing helps maintain a low profile and adds minimal weight or thickness to the final assembly. Within a gasket, adhesive transfer tape serves a key role by securing the gasket in place between two surfaces. This hold is crucial in preventing slippage during assembly and ensuring a proper seal. Transfer tape can be applied to many types of gasket substrates, including rubber, foam, metal, and cork. You can source transfer tapes that have chemical and environmental resistance to help the gasket function effectively in harsh conditions, and it's particularly useful in high-spec industries like aerospace, military, and fluid handling, where performance and reliability cannot be compromised. You should choose adhesive transfer tape when your gasket or bonded component requires a thin, conformable adhesive that won't interfere with function or appearance. These tapes are ideal for applications that need flexibility, a clean aesthetic, and minimal added bulk. Their ability to conform to irregular shapes and optically clear variants make them suitable for precise or layered assemblies. Transfer tapes also offer excellent temperature and solvent resistance, making them versatile across challenging environments. However, in situations demanding heavy-duty sealing, such as blocking high water pressure, thicker materials like foam will be more appropriate. Still, for thin, flat gaskets that need to adhere without extra weight or visibility, adhesive transfer tape is often the best option. In manufacturing, adhesive transfer tapes perform well, particularly when made by experienced converters. Their release liners make them easy to handle during the die cutting process and help maintain material integrity, reducing stretching or warping. This benefit allows for faster machine speeds and more efficient production, especially when gaskets are kiss cut on a roll for high-volume, automated assembly lines. A knowledgeable converter can match the right adhesive to the gasketing material and the operating environment. While the precision cutting of such thin, carrier-less adhesives can be challenging, skilled converters are well equipped to handle this task at scale, delivering consistent, high-quality results. When planning a gasket application, it's important to consider not just the gasket material itself, but also how the adhesive will support the part's performance and integration into the final product. The choice of adhesive can significantly impact the project's budget, production timeline, and scalability, since each gasket may need to meet specific environmental, structural, or performance demands. Selecting the wrong adhesive can lead to premature failure or costly redesigns. A thorough consultation with a flexible material converter can help you assess your design, recommend suitable materials, and develop a plan that aligns with your goals. If you want to learn more about working with the converter, feel free to visit our learning center, where we have more videos and articles on these topics, or you can always reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.